Look, I know that you love me and that you could get jealous at any time, especially when I'm hanging with them fellas. But I told you that I'll always hold you. You were not like this before, just bring back the old you. Dan kin kira ban dauka ba sai ki ce wai ina hora ki dakata ni ban da lokacin sauraron korafi. Don't you dare make it look like I'm full of impurities when it's only you and your insecurities. Ni ba ciwo ba amma kin bi kina fama ni. Na ce zan tsaya kin ce a'a kina hana ni. Na ce zan fita kuma kin bi kina kama ni. Ni kin cika tsanani wallahi kina wana ni. I want you to sit down, relax and then clear your mind. I said samu iri na shouldn't be that hard to find. Then she screamed, she told me to shut up. Then I got tensed, I didn't know when I got up. Sai ta daga kai ta kalle ni cikin hawaye. Ta ce saboda kai ne yasa na yada kawaye. All the sacrifices da nake ashe baka gani. Ka ce mun za ku je biki ashe ma baka gari. Ka ce ganin yarinya da ran nan ta baka handouts. Oh, so you thought I wasn't gonna find out? Where can an emotional blackmail? Well, I don't give a shit about your friends, male or females. All I wanted from you was your motherfucking time, not some cloud chasing, not a motherfucking dime. Excuse then come out, it's a motherfucking sign. When did complaining become a motherfucking crime? The funny thing is, I broke up with all my friends because they told me that you messing with their friends. But I didn't believe, I guess I was too naive. I'm so sick of your lies, now it's time for you to leave. Na buɗe bakin musu ta ce ishuru dan kusu. Dama na daɗe ina tara ka kaman asusu. Ta ce this happened before but I gave you a second chance. But you still messed up considering the circumstance. Jikina yayi sanyi na rasa mai zanyi. Dan duk cikin abinda ta faɗi ba abinda ban yi. There's nothing like excuse, you are a bloody player. There's nothing I can do but to help you say a prayer.